You can see that all of the animated emojis inside of my server are locked. I can only send normal emojis. I have all of the animated emojis inside of my server unlocked and available to use. You literally unlock Discord Nitro emojis for free. Hey, what's up guys, it's Josh or Fusion here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Discord Nitro on mobile. So when I made my last video on how to get free Discord Nitro just for desktop, a lot of you guys were commenting, how do I do this on mobile? So I went and I researched all the ways that you can do it on mobile, and I found the best method. Make sure you guys watch until the very end of this video so you know how to get this modded Discord client on mobile. This video is going to be how to do it on Android. If you guys really want a video on how to do this on iPhone, make sure you guys leave a comment down below. If I get a bunch of comments like I did requesting the Android one, then I'll also make a tutorial for iPhone. Once again, just like the last video, I do have to warn you guys that using modded Discord clients is against Discord TOS, so use this with warning. You may get banned if you use this app. So when we're on the Aliucord website, there's actually nowhere to get it for mobile, so we're going to be using a different client today. Instead of Aliucord, we're going to be using Aliucord, and Aliucord is only available for Android as I understand. I'm going to leave this GitHub link in the description, guys. You just want to come here, scroll down until it says installation, and as you guys can see, it says download and install installer-release.apk. If you guys don't know what an APK is, basically it's an Android app that you can open. A lot of open source developers make their apps in .apks first and test it out on Android. Android just allows to run apps that aren't actually on the App Store. Versus Apple, it's much harder to run apps that aren't on the App Store. You can do it, but they end up just getting taken away. So you guys just want to click on this and install it, or if you're on mobile, tap on it. So I'm actually on my computer emulating an Android phone to make this video, so if it looks a little different, that's why. But now that I have the APK installed, as you guys can see, Aliucord installer, you're going to want to open up the installer. You're going to want to allow this app to access your device, and then you're going to want to hit the green install button in the top right. You want to hit install again. As you guys can see, it's downloading the Discord APK, injecting all the mods into the app, repackaging the APK, replacing the icons, and now you guys have to go into the settings of your Android device and allow the Aliucord installer access to install unknown sources onto your device. So you just want to hit the settings button and check allow from this source. And now when we go back to the Aliucord installer, we can just hit install on the bottom right. It's installing our modded Discord client. It's now done. We're going to hit done. And now guys, look at that. We have the Aliucord app on our Android home screen. All we're going to want to do is double tap on it and open it up. We're going to hit allow. And guys, now we're going to sign into our Discord account. So guys, I'm going to be using my second account. I recommend you guys do the same. Do not risk your main account with stuff like this. So you just want to hit login and sign in with your Discord account. Alright guys, now that I logged into my account, as you can see, we're now on Discord. Everything works just as it should. And by the way, this is my server, guys. Thank you to Thomas for boosting the Discord server, because now we have extra perks in here. If you guys don't know about my Discord, FUZIONHERE Cord, I'm active in here every day. I'll be chilling in the voice channels, listening to music and talking to viewers, as well as every day me and my friends post pictures of our food in the meal photos channel. So yeah guys, join on up, it's a party in here. But anyways, let's test out these free Discord Nitro features. I'm gonna go into my emojis, and if we scroll down, you can see that all of the animated emojis inside of my server are locked. I can only send normal emojis. We're gonna start enabling these plugins to give us free Discord Nitro features along with a bunch of other features simply by clicking down on our profile picture. Now you guys just want to scroll down, and as you guys can see, we have a new tab inside of our Discord settings called Aliucord. So let's check out the settings. I'm going to turn on automatically update Aliucord and automatically update plugins. Let's exit out of that. And now we're going to head into plugins. As you guys can see, right now it says I have 0 plugins installed. I'm going to show you guys how to fix that and where to get the plugins. Alright guys, I figured it out. I must have missed this when I was installing it. It literally says right here underneath the installation, plugin installation, join our support server and visit the plugins list channel for a list of available plugins. Hold down the message, not the link, the entire message, with the desired plugin and click open plugin downloader. Find the desired plugin in the list and click install. It should immediately start working. However, some plugins may require you to restart for them to fully work. So now I'm just going to join this Aliucord Discord. Alright, Aliucord accept invite. So now that we're in the Discord, let's head down to the plugins list channel. So now that we're here, we can scroll through all the plugins that they have to offer, and if you find one that you want, you actually just hold down on the message and as you guys can see, it says open plugin downloader. So for this example, I'm gonna do it, and now all the plugins that are available for us to download pop up right like this. But that's just that plugin group. If we head up to this message and hold down on it and open the plugin downloader, as you can see, we have a new set of plugins to download. And this plugin list is filled with a ton of plugins. So I'm gonna scroll through here and find some cool ones and download them and show you guys how my Discord looks different. Alright, this one looks cool. Account Switcher adds the ability to switch between multiple accounts, which can be accessed by pressing the logout button. Let's get this one. I'm going to hold down on the message and then scroll down and open plugin downloader. And now I'm going to install Account Switcher. Plugin Account Switcher was successfully downloaded. So now let's actually see if it was. I'm going to head down to my profile. And now in the top right, I'm going to hit this logout button. And yo, it says account switcher, 0 accounts. It looks like if I added more accounts on here, I'd be able to switch into them in here. Permissions sync, port of the permissions syncing functionality from the desktop client. Let's get that one. Permission sync was successfully installed. Better dashless, replaces dashes and channel names with spaces. So now in my server, there's no dashes. Everything is just spaces. That actually looks really clean. The next plugin, which I think you guys will like, is the Fake Stickers plugin. Posts a sticker as an image if the sticker is normally unavailable, usually because you don't have Nitro. Animated stickers require the Animate APNGs plugin. So let's get this Fake Stickers plugin and as well as the Animate APNGs plugin. Plugin Fake Stickers successfully installed. Alright guys, I found it. Animate APNGs, simple plugin that makes APNGs animate just like GIFs. We're going to hold down on the message, scroll down, open plugin downloader, install Animate APNGs. There's also a plugin in here called Better Spotify, and this is in FUZIONHERE. This fixes the issue where you can't share music with your friends with your Spotify, and it just constantly pauses your Spotify. So if you guys ever have that issue, get the Better Spotify plugin. I'm going to download it. Better Spotify installed. This one is cool. The Discovery plugin brings the server discovery from the desktop Discord to your phone Discord. Let's get this one and check it out. Discovery successfully installed. So yo, it actually looks like I have a new tab here, Server Discovery. It actually worked. That's sick. The Discovery plugin does exactly what it says. It just ports over the Discovery, which I don't know why this isn't on mobile anyway. And now you can just search for any server that you want. Fortnite for an example, and all of the Fortnite servers in the server discovery come right up. This is actually really sick. The Experiments plugin is cool. It shows hidden developer options tab with experiments inside of your Discord settings. Let's get this one and check it out. Experiments successfully installed. Now let's check out those new secret developer options that are inside of our Discord settings. You guys are going to want to head to your profile picture and just scroll down until you see the developer options tab. Now you're going to click on this, and here are all the experiments that you can turn on your Discord. As you guys can see, there is a lot of them. I could make an entire another video just on all these experiments. But I'm going to leave that for another time, guys. The next plugin I think you guys are really going to want is the Nitro Spoof plugin. Use Nitro emotes without Nitro. So this is what I was talking about in the beginning, where I couldn't use those animated emojis in my server. Now if we install this Nitro Spoof plugin, Nitro Spoof successfully installed. Let's head back to my server, go into the emojis, and now you guys can see I have all of the animated emojis inside of my server unlocked and available to use. Just to prove it, let's use this one and send it in the server. And as you guys can see, the animated emoji is now in my main chat in my server. You literally unlock Discord Nitro emojis for free. And look, I can use emojis from other servers too. So that's another Nitro feature. You can use emojis from any server that you're in. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. So in this video, I showed you guys how to get free Discord Nitro features on the mobile version of Discord. Now, Aliucord isn't as good as FUZIONHERE. Honestly, FUZIONHERE has a lot more Discord Nitro features than Aliucord does. But if you guys are on mobile, this is still a good alternative. You can use those animated emojis. You can get developer options. You can get server discovery. I didn't even cover 25% of them. There's probably 100 plugins on there, guys. But anyways, guys, if this video helped you out, make sure you drop a comment below and let me know the next kind of Discord video you want me to make. Anyways, guys, this has been Josh or Fusion here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.